What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning into Stock Essentials. My name is Alex, and today we're going to be talking about AMC stock. As we can see, AMC stock is now in the green, sitting at just above $57. In the morning, it had a pretty big sell-off, $51 price point, minus 7%. And that scared a lot of retail investors. I know some of my friends ended up selling up their shares, but for me, I was pretty confident that it would recover, and I kept holding on to my positions. I'm going to be continuing holding on to my AMC 200 shares and possibly even averaging down if it dips low enough. But we can see that right when it hit the $51 mark, it bounced right back up, and it's recovering very nicely, sitting at $57 a share, which is very good news because AMC is holding its price point, and we're not letting up. We're holding our shares. We're holding the line. We're pretty bullish on AMC still, and hope that we can hopefully close over $60 by the end of the week. That would allow a lot of the call options that have expiration dates June 25th that will expire in the money, exercising all those call options. So we're going to be looking at $60 by Friday, and hopefully we can hit that. I'm pretty confident that it can, but if it doesn't, no big deal. It'll just delay the squeeze a bit. So AMC, we're pretty bullish on it. And we also want to be careful about all these articles trying to make us forget and sell AMC. So the Motley Fool has been publishing tons of articles telling us to sell, get out of AMC, and basically saying that AMC is not the stock to be in when we have all of us apes holding the stock and holding the line. They're probably being shilled, so we don't want to listen to these articles. So this one says forget AMC, and they're trying to get our attention to other meme stocks. So what they're trying to do is they're trying to disperse the community so AMC doesn't have as much power when we're all dispersed in all these other stocks. So keep your focus on AMC, and we'll get through this together. So if you're down a little bit, I know I'm down maybe $500, $600, but I'm not too worried. I'm sure this will recover, and I'm sure that AMC will continue to go up. And there's other articles from the Motley Fool, of course, telling us that the retail investors we want to hold, and then the management, they're saying management wants to sell. So they're trying to make it look bad that management wants to sell, but management sold a ton of shares earlier, and that helped raise a bunch of capital for AMC, which is going to help their balance sheets in the future. So it's a pretty good investment that they did when they sold off early on, when AMC spiked up around this $60, $70 price point. So that was good, and they're trying to scare us that they're going to be selling off even more shares. So we don't want to let that affect us. Keep holding the stock. I know I am. I'm pretty confident in the stock, and I hope you guys are as well. Don't get too scared from all these shillings that are going on from all these blogs, these news outlets that are trying to disrupt the ape community and pretty much get AMC stock lowered, because the shorts have not yet covered and they're doubling down. So they're pretty scared that AMC is holding this really tight price point of around $55, which is very good, because eventually they'll have to cover, and they'll be at a pretty big loss. And if they have to buy back the shares, this thing is going to go to the moon. So that's about it for this video. Quick little update on AMC. Comment down below what your thoughts are about all these articles. If you're holding AMC, how many shares, what options you have. And of course, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Helps out a lot. Thanks for watching.